Hey there, engineers! Today I'm going to take you through 10 essential Linux commands that you absolutely must know. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these commands will make your life a whole lot easier. So let's dive right in. First up, we have, this is your go-to command for listing all files and directories in your current working directory. Just type and hit enter. If you want more details, we'll give you a long listing format with all the nitty-gritty details. Next, this command is all about navigation. Need to switch directories? Just type followed by the directory name. Want to go back to the previous directory? Has got you covered. Now let's talk about, which stands for print working directory. If you ever get lost in your directory structure, just type, and it will show you the full path of your current directory. Fourth on the list is, this command lets you create new directories. Just type followed by the name of the directory you want to create. Simple as that. Next we have, use this command to remove files or directories, but be cautious. Once you delete something it's gone for good. If you want to remove a directory and its contents, coming in at number 6, is the copy command. Need to duplicate a file or directory? Just type followed by the source and destination paths. To copy directories, use to make sure everything inside gets copied too. 7th on our list is, which stands for move. This does double duty as both a move and rename command. Just type followed by the source and destination paths. Need to rename a file? Just use with the current name and new name. Now let's chat about, this command is perfect for displaying the contents of a file. Just type followed by the file name. You can also use it to concatenate multiple files into one. 9th on our list is, this powerful command is used for searching text within files. Type followed by the search term and file name. It will display all lines containing the search term. Super handy for finding specific information in large files. Last but certainly not least, we have, this command changes the permissions of a file or directory. Just type followed by the permission settings and the file name. Understanding file permissions is crucial for security and collaboration. And there you have it. Master these 10 Linux commands, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a Linux pro. Got any other must-know commands? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.